Yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna be. Sorry. No. So yeah, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do an eyeshadow tutorial. As of course, this is like my channel now. I'm like the fucking eyeshadow tutorial queen in this bitch. But yeah, like my last fucking video was a fucking eyeshadow tutorial. I think. Yeah, Thanksgiving. Like what the hell? Like. Anyway, so yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna do. I just got this today. Finally, it was out of stock everywhere. I was like on a witch hunt for this shit. But yeah, the James Charles palette. I got it today, and it's not in the box already because I just wanted to take it out of it. This is what it looks like in the box, like outside the box. And yeah, the only thing I don't like about it is like I wish they had the same, like I wish it was like the other way around, you know? Like I wish like this was the packaging and this was this. If that makes sense. This was this. Because, but at the same time, it'll get dirty. But this is getting dirty already. All this fingerprints and shit. Anyway, let's get into this review. So yeah, this is what, damn, I just dig my finger into one of these. This was $39. And yeah, this is what the palette looks like. All of the stuff. All the colors. You got your rainbow colors right here. Your neutral colors right here. Your transition colors right here. So I keep on digging my finger into stuff. Stop. So yeah, you know me and my eyeshadow reviews. Let's swatch a few of them. I'm not going to swatch everything because it's going to literally take like an hour and a half. But I'm going to swatch some of it because, you know, some of the shades I want to swatch. So let's begin. First color I'm going to swatch is going to be called You're Kidding, which is the red one over here. Right here. So yeah, let's swatch it. This is like the real deal, bitch. So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of pink on camera, but it's not. That's cute. That's alright. Like, it's pigmented though. It is. Okay, next. Next color I want to swatch is called Social Blade, which is the neon green one right here. So let's swatch it. Well, I'm gonna swatch it. Unless you have it. Ooh, a big chunk just fell out. It's like the neon green. So okay. Alright, yeah, that's nice. That's really pigmented for a light color. Normally, light colors aren't, like, it's hard to make, so. Like, I know, right? Yeah, I'm like a lab formula person. So now, the next one I want to swatch is called B, which is this yellow color right here. I'm going to swatch it for you guys right now. Obviously. But yeah. So let's swatch it. 1, 2, 3. Every time I swatch, I'm doing 3 rounds. Alright. For a yellow, it's okay, you know. It's pigmented. You really can't see it because it's like a, yeah, like it's like a really bright color because yellow is bright. But guess what? I found, this is weird because they, traffic light. Red, green, stop. Alright, go. So yeah, the next color I want to swatch is called Flashback. So let's swatch it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's creamy. I like Flashback. Okay, yeah, for it to be a white, it looks okay. Like, it's not that pigmented compared to the Jeffree Star one I have. If you didn't watch that one, it's gonna be up here. I promise. But yeah, Glucose, this one is like okay. It blends into my skin more than it is pigmented, so I'm like, I don't know if it's the right one, but the next color I want to swatch is called Acapella, which is this shimmery blue color right here. Ooh. Alright, okay, that's good. Like, it ain't the best, but it's okay. No, the color, alright, the next color and the last one that I'm gonna swatch for you guys, because this video is gonna be long as shit. So, the last one I'm gonna swatch is called Artistry, and it's this purple glitter one right here. And I wanted to swatch it because, yeah, it's a glitter shade that they made. So let's see if it's really pigmented. Okay. Wow. Wait, that's really nice in the light. It looks wet. It looks really nice. Let me swatch it right here. Yeah, it's sheer. I knew it. Yeah, that was the only, like, when I was at Ulta and I saw, like, went to see for if it was like on sale stock or whatever, I swatched this one. This was the only one that I swatched, and it was sheer, so I knew this one's gonna be sheer too. I don't like this one. I'm sorry. But alright, I have 2 more colors. Alright, I'm sorry. So the next color on the swatch is Skip, because it's been on a lot of drama and like I want to see the tea. So they said like it's stained their eyes and stuff and all this other shit, but it's really creamy. I like this color so far for it to be a pink. Ooh, it's really nice. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a lot of pigment. It's really pigmented. Okay, and that's it. Wait, there's one more. If you guys don't like swatches, please skip. Alright, so that's what it was called too, the pink color, Skip. So the next color I want to swatch is called Face, and he said this was a highlighter color, so I'm going to use this as a highlight today. So let's see. That's all I gotta say, man. So no. But let's see, I'll swatch up here. Whoa. This is my favorite color in the palette. And it's not even a fucking color, it's a highlighter. That's sad. Like, look at that. It's so much more vibrant than the, like, more metallic than the metallic color over here. Like, I can't wait to use that as a highlight. But yeah. Alright, finally onto the eyeshadow. Let's get it right. The first color I'm gonna do is the shade Flashback, just to set the eyeshadow primer I did, because I didn't want to like be repetitive. You know what eyeshadow primer I'm using. I'm using the Too Faced one. I have some thoughts on the white color. I don't really like it because look at, oh my god, look at it. Like, it looks like it's not even it's like a light wash. Like, I thought it was gonna be more pigmented, like the glucose color from Jeffree Star. I love that one. That's still my favorite white, no shade, but I love it. You can't help an opinion, bitch. But anyway, so that sounded shady as shit. But alright, I don't know what what I like to do. I want to do a rainbow look, but I feel like though everybody did a rainbow look with this palette, so I don't want to be everybody else. So I don't know what color to do. Yeah, to be continued. I'll be right back. I made up my mind and I need a little help. So, but yeah, so I'm never ready to bring out my brushes. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna do a green eye look today because I never use green. So why not use green, bitch? If this is a green eyeshadow thing. I mean green. It has green in the fuck. Oh my god, I'm getting mad at myself. I can't talk. But yeah, I'm gonna take the shade Social Blade and use it as my transition color. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice. In the beginning, I was gonna talk shit. I was like, it looks patchy. Like, I don't like it. But you really gotta blend it in since it is a light color. So that's why I'm sorry. At least I'm being honest. So yeah, the next color I'm gonna do is, what's it called? It's the shade Daddy, which is next to it, which is like this foresty green color. I'm gonna put it in my outer V. So I'm gonna pick up my brush and we gonna do it. Take the shade B right here and blend out the edges of the light color and like the dark color. I'm gonna do something that's kind of risky, and I'm gonna take this black color and this shape, like this palette. It's called Spooky, and I'm gonna put it on the outer V just to make some more definition. This might be risky, but I don't care. Put a little bit of that daddy color in the lower lash line, like a little bit, just so I could like make my eyes look more bigger. At the end, I'm gonna put some black eyeliner like where the green is at under here, so it could look more intense. So now I'm gonna take the shade Guac right here, and I'm gonna spray it on, and that's gonna be my lid color for this look. Kind of like a cut crease-ish type of look. I'm gonna spray it. And now I'm gonna do it. So let's see. Now, since it looks like it matches just like the green color, it just blended in. I want some definition. So I'm gonna take the shade Wig over here, and I'm gonna put it like in the middle of it, just so it could look like a halo type of cut crease vibe. I don't know what I'm going for anymore. I'm just doing it. I'm gonna do is take the shade Ring Light, which is over here, and I'm gonna pop it in my inner corner. I know my phone keeps on sliding down. I'm sorry. Let me see. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. this is the final look using the James Charles palette. And these are my thoughts. I like the colors, but like the shimmer, the guac, it's my fault because it looks like it's blended in to the eyeshadow. But yeah, the reason why I use black lipstick instead of like the peachy pink nude, the one that I was gonna use, was because it looks like Shigo from Kim Possible. So, and if you don't know who that is, look it up. But yeah, like she had black lipstick on. And she's like green, so I wanted to channel that today. So yeah, if you like this video, you already know what to do, honey. Give it a big up. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. Bye my moo babies.